Unbox the future.
Now today we are going to unbox S20 plus 5G Cloud Blue 128GB version, which I've purchased from Samsung store. Let's unbox this. Here we have the phone S20 Plus 5G Cloud Blue. Now let's keep the phone aside and let's check the contents in the box. This is a user manual, quick start guide, warranty card, etc. There's a SIM ejector pin, small card, and here we have the 25 watt super fast charging adapter. And here we have the Type-C cable, and Type-C to Type-C cable. You can see that we got the Type-C to Type-C cable now from the Samsung. And this is the AKG branded earphones. You got some ear tips in there. And let's keep them aside. Just take a look at the phone. On the bottom, and we can see here there is no headphone jack now on the Samsung S20 Plus, entire S20 family. They have removed it completely, and it's the Type-C cable. Here goes the AKG branded headphones, and there's a speaker grill and the microphone. On the side button, and we have the lock button. At the top you have the secondary noise cancellation microphone and a SIM ejector tool. On the left side it's plain. There's a hybrid SIM slot with one SD card and 2 SIM, and this is a 5G phone. Let's take a look into the Galaxy S20 Plus 5G specifications. You can see here it got a rear camera, which is a quad camera setup. The ultra wide has got 12 megapixel f2.2 aperture and a wide angle of 12 megapixel with f1.8, and a telephoto lens with 64 megapixel f2.0, and it has got a depth vision sensor, LED flash. You can see it here. Depth vision camera and a flashlight and a microphone. And it has got a front camera with 10 megapixel with f2.2 dual pixel, and it has got a 7nm 64-bit octa-core processor with a maximum speed of 2.7 GHz. And let's go to memory. It has got 12GB of RAM with LPDDR5 and 128GB of internal storage for the 5G variant. For the LTE variant, which is the 4G variant, it has got 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. And it has also got a microSD slot with expandable up to 1TB. And the network, it supports 5G, and the 5G supports sub-6 waves and millimeter waves. And LTE as normal. The payment, it supports NFC and MST. And let's look at the sensors. It has got ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, barometer, gyro sensor, geomagnetic sensor, Hall sensor, proximity sensor, RGB sensor. It's got all the sensors. Let's take a look at the body. It has, see the dimensions. It weighs 186 grams. You can see the display. It has got 6.7 quad HD dynamic AMOLED display, infinity out display, HDR10 plus certified with 120Hz display support, a battery of 4500 mAh with improved wireless charging speeds with fast wireless charging 2.0, fast charging compatible on wired and wireless power share, and you can see the authentication of lock type. It's got pattern, pin, password and fingerprint sensor and facial recognition. And this variant S20 Plus comes with cloud blue, cosmic black and cosmic gray. As you can see here, this is the always on display. This is the lock screen. You can see there how quick it unlocks. Yeah. Go to display settings. You have 120Hz screen rate. You can change the display colors to light and dark backgrounds. Give adaptive brightness, motion smoothness. You have 120. Yeah, apply. Now you can see the smoothness of the phone. And when you go to 120 Hz, the screen resolution drops to FHD plus. And if you want to go to the WKHD, you have to change the smoothness, the motion rate to 60 Hz and go to the screen resolution, apply. This is how the phone looks. And out of the box, you can see here software about phone, software information. It comes with Android 10 out of the box. Yeah. This is a 12GB RAM variant with 128GB internal storage. We go into device care, and now we can see here this phone has got 128GB of storage, and 102GB is free now, and has got 12GB of RAM, as this is a 5G variant of S20 Plus. And as you can see here, 5.6GB is available now. Alright guys, let's go to wireless power share option. Here you go, tap on the wireless power share. Yeah, place your wireless, any wireless charging devices on the back of the phone. I have my Galaxy S3. There you go, it's charging. Alright guys, this is the case which I've purchased from Amazon. I'll keep the link below in the description. Let's open the case and put it on the S20 Plus 5G. Alright guys, this is how the case looks. On the back side, you got the power button, you got the volume buttons on the case. It feels very slim, flexible. You can see here you got protection for the camera bump, and this is the front. You can see here, please keep sticker on the case. Yeah, now let's put this case onto this bad boy. Yeah, this is how the phone looks after putting the case on it. You can see how good it looks on the phone. You can see here, it feels thin on the phone. It feels very thin. You can see on the edges, like you got protection on the edges of the phone, down, bottom, and actually the case feels good on the phone. Yeah, well, that's it for now guys. Thank you. Hope you enjoy the video.